Hello, lovely viewers. You are very welcome to this channel. You are very welcome to this channel. You are very welcome to this channel. Today we are going to learn how to play our pentatonic. If you watch some of my previous video, I did how to play pentatonic, how to solo with your pentatonic. If you can see, I was playing some quiet solo with the pentatonic. I was using the pentatonic on the solo, and you can see it sounds very great and very good. So how to play your pentatonic? Sometimes the pentatonic start from do, re, mi, so, la, do, la, so, re, mi, la, so, mi, re, do. You see, so I started the pentatonic. We worship you, our Lord. You are worthy to be praised. Then I start. How I started it. You see, that is the pentatonic. That is the pentatonic. So the way I started it, yeah, if you don't take time, it's going to confuse you, but it's a very simple something. We are playing key C, this key C. So you are Alpha. We worship you, our Lord. You are ready to be brave. And I started. I used the pentatonic. You see, I was using the pentatonic to start my solo, and using pentatonic to start your solo is not an easy. I play do, re, mi, so, la, do, la, mi, do, la, so, mi, re, do, re, mi, so, la, do, la, so, mi, re, do, so, la. So la do la so mi re do. You see, so I started with this pentatonic tricks. So the pentatonic is do re mi so la, but you see I start from do re mi so la. I mix it. It's like inversion notes. You see, instead of me starting from do re mi so la, no, I started from do re mi so la do la, and what? I came back. You see, so the pentatonic, no, the C here, move to this C, and that is where you can get your pentatonic very well. So you play there. Get your pentatonic very well. So la do la so do. see, yes. You see, yeah. So the pentatonic, if you don't take time, it's going to screw you. So let's use the beat for the last time. What I did, I started from you see, so all my solo work, I started with the pentatonic, and I was able to spice it with some solo. So starting the pentatonic, you have to find a space to put that pentatonic. You have to find a comfortable space to put that pentatonic. So you saw what I did. I did something like this. So I was using the pentatonic all across the board, and the best thing for you to play the pentatonic is move your C here, move to the C here and play. So you see the way I was playing the pentatonic. It is very easy, very easy. So play do re mi so la do la so do re mi so la do la re. You see, so let's do it for the last time. So you saw what I was doing. I was using the pentatonic very well, and it is always on point. It is always on point. It is always on point. So the way I taught you, that is the whole thing I'm using. Do, so, la, do, la, so, do, la, so. So did you get it? Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching. But please subscribe and like and comment for more videos. Thank you. Bye.